Hi everyone. Now we study about data categorization. Here we have marks of various students: 45 marks, 78 marks, 62 marks. These are all marks secured by the students out of 100. We need to categorize students according to the following criteria. Those who have below 50 marks give poor, 50 to 69 average, which means those who secure less than 70 marks is average, less than 90 marks good, and those who secure 90 and above can be considered as excellent. So our task is to categorize these marks, categorize the students based on these marks into following: poor, average, good, or excellent. So let's do it. For that, we need to give a command to the Excel. This is the command that we can give. First, just put equal, sorry, equal, then put if. This is the command. Then put bracket. Then this is the cell that we need. So just click here, A2, and we know that first category is below 50 is poor. So A2 less than 50. Then put comma, then double quotes, poor, then double quotes. Okay, then put comma, then again put if. Then next command, put bracket, again 45 click, we get A2. Then less than, we know that poor, those who have less than 70 marks is average. So put 70, then comma, double quote, then average, then again double quote, then comma, then again put if. We know that those who have less than 90 marks is good. So if, then bracket, again put this 45, then this less than A2, less than 90, that is equal to, then comma, we know that is good, bracket, good, then bracket close, then put comma, because we don't need any further condition. Those who are having more than 90 are excellent. So just put comma, then we can double quote, excellent. We give two command at a time, excellent, then double quote. Then we know that we put three brackets, 1, 2, and 3. We need to close them all. So that just put three brackets, closing 1, 2, and 3. So the command is over. Then put enter. We get 45 as poor. Then just drag from top to bottom. Yes. We get the marks of 50 students, and this is the wonderful thing that Excel has done for us. 97 excellent, 53 average, 64 this. This is the categorization of data.